Our planet, a vibrant sphere suspended in the vastness of space, is a mosaic of immense landmasses we call continents. There are 7 of them, each a world unto itself, sculpted by millennia of geological forces and climatic shifts. From the sprawling plains of Africa to the icy solitude of Antarctica, the ancient peaks of Asia to the historic landscapes of Europe, and across the vast expanses of the Americas to the sun-scorched heart of Australia, each continent holds a unique character, a distinct personality etched into its very soil and stone. Within these vast territories lie spectacles of nature so profound, so awe-inspiring, they defy simple description. These are the world's natural wonders, places where the raw power and delicate artistry of the earth are on full display. They are not mere landmarks, they are living testaments to the planet's enduring dynamism, a story written in rock, water, ice, and life itself. Each wonder tells a chapter of our world's epic narrative, a tale of creation, endurance, and breathtaking beauty that has captivated humanity for generations. Join me now as we embark on a remarkable journey. We will traverse the globe, continent by continent, to witness these extraordinary phenomena firsthand. From thundering curtains of water to silent, frozen valleys that mimic other worlds, we will explore the forces that shaped these wonders and discover the profound connection they hold with the life that surrounds them. This is a celebration of our planet's most magnificent creations, a visual odyssey across the 7 continents. Our journey begins in the heart of southern Africa, on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe, where the earth itself seems to open up. Here, the mighty Zambezi River, after a long and meandering journey, meets a colossal precipice. The result is a spectacle of such immense power and scale that it commands reverence. This is Mosi Watunya, the smoke that thunders, known to the wider world as Victoria Falls. It is not the highest nor the widest waterfall, but what makes it truly singular is the sheer volume of water, the largest single sheet of falling water on the planet, plummeting into the chasm below. The roar is deafening, a constant, visceral reminder of nature's untamed energy. A plume of mist, visible from many, many miles away, rises hundreds of meters into the air, sustaining a unique rainforest ecosystem on the cliff edges. This is a place of dramatic contrasts, the placid, slow-moving river upstream, and the violent, chaotic cascade of the falls themselves. It is a breathtaking demonstration of water's power to carve and shape the very landscape, a true wonder of the African continent, and a vital lifeblood for the rich diversity of wildlife that depends upon it. We travel now to the most remote and inhospitable continent on Earth, Antarctica, a land almost entirely entombed in ice. Yet hidden within this vast polar desert lies a startling anomaly, a place that defies all expectations of this frozen world. These are the McMurdo Dry Valleys. Here, for millions of years, there has been almost no precipitation. Powerful katabatic winds, reaching speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour, are heated as they descend, evaporating all moisture, water, ice, and snow. The result is the largest ice-free region on the continent. It is a landscape of stark, barren beauty. The ground is a mosaic of gravel and larger stones, scoured and sculpted by the relentless wind. It feels utterly alien, so much so that scientists use this place as an analog for the conditions on Mars, studying the microscopic life that somehow survives, hidden within the rocks. The dry valleys are a geological paradox, a cold desert of profound silence and stillness, offering a rare, naked glimpse of the Antarctic continent's underlying rock. It is a testament to the extreme and varied conditions our planet can produce, even in its most seemingly uniform environments. From the world's coldest desert, we ascend to its highest peak in the majestic continent of Asia. Rising from the Himalayan range, straddling the border of Nepal and China, is a mountain that has captured the human imagination like no other. This is Mount Everest, known in Tibetan as Chomolungma, Goddess Mother of the World. At 8,848 meters, its summit is the closest one can get to the sky while still standing on the earth. Its sheer scale is difficult to comprehend, a colossal pyramid of rock and ice, perpetually draped in snow and lashed by jet stream winds. For centuries, it was a sacred, untouchable peak. Today, it represents the ultimate challenge for mountaineers, a symbol of human endurance, ambition, and all too often, tragedy. The climb is a perilous undertaking, a journey through treacherous ice falls and across razor-thin ridges into the death zone, where the air is too thin to sustain life for long. Yet its allure is undeniable. Mount Everest is more than a mountain. It is a geological marvel born from the immense tectonic collision of the Indian and Eurasian plates, and a powerful cultural icon that continues to inspire awe and humility. Our travels now take us to Europe, to the heart of Croatia, where a different kind of water magic unfolds. Here, nestled within a dense and ancient forest, lies Plitvice Lakes National Park. This is not a single body of water, but an extraordinary cascade of 16 terraced lakes, all interconnected by a series of waterfalls and streams. Over thousands of years, water flowing over limestone and chalk has deposited travertine, a form of tufa rock, creating natural dams that separate the lakes. This process is ongoing, constantly changing the appearance of the waterfalls and the lakes themselves. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the park is a haven of tranquility and astonishing beauty. The water here possesses a remarkable clarity, and its color changes constantly, shifting through mesmerizing shades of azure, green, gray, and blue, depending on the quantity of minerals, organisms, and the angle of the sunlight. Wooden footbridges and pathways meander through the park, allowing one to walk above the crystal-clear water, surrounded by the gentle sound of countless cascades. Plitvice is a living, breathing aquatic ecosystem, a masterpiece of natural engineering. We cross the Atlantic to North America, to the state of Arizona, to witness a chasm of almost incomprehensible proportions. This is the Grand Canyon. It is a vast abyss, stretching for 446 kilometers, up to 29 kilometers wide, and plunging more than a mile deep. For 6 million years, the relentless power of the Colorado River has sliced through layer after layer of rock, while the Colorado Plateau itself has been slowly uplifted. The result is not just a canyon, but an immense open-air library of geological time. The canyon walls display a spectacular cross-section of Earth's history. Each stratum of rock tells a different story, a different chapter from a bygone era, with the oldest rocks at the bottom dating back nearly 2 billion years. The play of light and shadow across its myriad cliffs, mesas, and buttes creates a constantly shifting panorama of color, from deep reds and purples to soft pinks and oranges. To stand at its rim is to feel a profound sense of scale and time, to be humbled by the slow, patient, yet unstoppable forces that have sculpted our planet over eons. Our journey now leads us to South America, and into the largest and most biodiverse tropical rainforest on Earth, the Amazon. Spanning 9 countries, this colossal forest is so vast it generates its own weather systems. It is a world teeming with life, a vibrant, complex, and intricate web of interdependencies. Countless rivers, including the mighty Amazon River itself, weave through the dense canopy like arteries, carrying life-giving water throughout this enormous green ocean. The sheer scale of it is staggering. It is a world unto itself. More than just a collection of trees, the Amazon is often called the lungs of the planet. Its immense vegetation inhales vast quantities of carbon dioxide and exhales the oxygen upon which so much of life on Earth depends. It is home to an astonishing percentage of the world's species, millions of insects, tens of thousands of plants, and thousands of species of birds and mammals. Many of them are still unknown to science. The Amazon rainforest is a global treasure, a critical component of our planet's climate system, and a vibrant, pulsating heart of biodiversity. For our final wonder, we travel to the continent of Australia, to its arid, red center. Here, rising dramatically from the flat desert plains, is an icon of immense geological and cultural significance. This is Uluru. It is a colossal sandstone monolith, a single gigantic rock that is all that remains of an ancient mountain range long since eroded away. What we see today is merely the tip. The bulk of its mass lies buried deep beneath the sandy earth. Its sheer, weathered sides are etched with the stories of time, marked by deep grooves and caves. For the local Anangu people, this is not just a rock. It is a sacred, living place, central to their creation stories, their laws, and their culture for tens of thousands of years. But what truly captivates all who visit is its extraordinary relationship with light. At sunrise and sunset, Uluru undergoes a spectacular transformation. The rock appears to glow from within, shifting through an incredible palette of colors, from deep violet and fiery red to burnt orange and soft pink. It is a mesmerizing, almost spiritual display, a fittingly dramatic finale in our journey across the world's great natural wonders. We have journeyed across the globe, from the thundering waters of Africa to the silent heart of Australia. We have stood at the roof of the world in Asia and delved into the geological soul of North America. Each continent has revealed a masterpiece, a unique expression of the planet's creative force. These 7 wonders are more than just beautiful places. They are powerful reminders of the intricate and dynamic systems that govern our world. They inspire humility, ignite curiosity, and connect us to the deep geological time that has shaped our only home. The Earth has shared some of its most profound secrets with us, but its story is far from over. Which of these monumental wonders captured your imagination the most? Was it the raw power of Victoria Falls, the alien stillness of the dry valleys, or the sacred glow of Uluru? I invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below, to continue the conversation, and to tell us which natural spectacles you hold dear. There is always more to discover, always another story to be told. Let this journey be a beginning, not an end. I encourage you to look closer at the world around you, to explore the wonders of every continent, whether through further research, documentaries, or perhaps one day, your own travels. The more we understand and appreciate the magnificent complexity of our planet, the more we will be moved to cherish and protect it for all the generations who are yet to come. The world is full of wonders, waiting to be seen.